Hi and welcome to video number 4. Now in the last video we went through a massive list of all the different types of stuff that you can start to learn in order to become an expert in a particular topic, so that you have value to give away and value to sell online. Now in this video I'm just going to go through 5 different types of actual income models that you can use, okay, that you can start to learn from today. So it will make it a little bit easier, yeah, rather than just giving you a massive list of things and say, you know, go out there and learn any of these and you can make money. It's a little bit vague. So in this video I'm going to give you 5 different types of actual income models that you can use by learning some of the by becoming an expert in some of those topics that I gave you in the last video. So the first one is affiliate sites. Now this is what I did back in 2008, 2009. However, things have changed slightly since then, but there's still a lot of people out there that use affiliate sites to make a lot of money online, okay, in their online efforts. So what you can do is you can learn all about AdSense, yeah, learn all about places like ClickBank, learn how to create WordPress sites, learn how to build links to your pages and get them ranked in Google and get free traffic from Google, okay. SEO is a little bit of a funny game, okay, it can be up and down. However, you're not going to be relying on SEO forever, okay. Remember what I said, you just need to obtain some value so you can leverage that value in order to jumpstart your internet marketing kind of journey or your online career. So affiliate sites is a great way to start, and the good thing is you can obviously make money. Yeah, as you're learning all of this great stuff and as you're trying to rank sites and all of this, you're making a little bit of money, yeah, and you can easily get to $1,000 per month with affiliate sites. I actually start to make 50 to 100 bucks per day with my AdSense and Amazon income model, okay, with SEO. I was getting some good traffic, and I actually had my first $102 day when I was using this model quite a few years ago. So it is a good model to use, and it's definitely something that you should consider learning and using if you not only want to make money, but if you want to obtain some value, okay, because remember what I've said throughout the course is all about value. And while you learn all this stuff, yeah, about affiliate sites, you're making money. And not only that, you can use this information to then build a list and sell your products and make tons more money, which we'll cover in the next video, which I'll show you how to do. So affiliate sites is a fantastic one. So what you need to do is just start to learn about SEO. You need to start to learn how to build WordPress sites, start learning about link building, start learning about the Amazon affiliate program, yeah, AdSense, yeah, get yourself an AdSense account, and like I've said in the course, if you're not prepared to learn this stuff and you're not prepared to put the work in at the very start, then perhaps this industry isn't for you, because you're not going to make any money, you're not going to get anywhere by just sitting there and expecting someone to just come along and give you some great, you know, $10,000 a month income model, you know, for free, okay. A lot of the time you need to kind of create one yourself, and this is the great thing, because your little system that you create, okay, if you do decide to use affiliate sites, then yours will more than likely be unique, okay. No one else will be doing exactly the same as what you do, because we all do things slightly different, and I used to do things slightly different to the next person, and this is the great thing. And this is why everything you learn here, you know, to do with affiliate sites is so valuable, because you can use it as you progress through your internet marketing career. The next one, Facebook ads. yeah, or anything to do with Facebook. If I had my time again, Facebook, or right at this very moment, Facebook is very hot and there's tons of people using Facebook and Facebook ads. It might not be the same in a few years time, it might be a little bit more sort of popular, but at the moment Facebook ads is something that you can learn, which is going to be very, very profitable, because not only are you going to learn about Facebook, but you can run ads and make money from like affiliate offers and stuff like that, but then you can sell this information and create products around it. Okay, create software, create products and training courses on Facebook. It's very, very popular and it's a very profitable platform. Okay, there's a lot of people using Facebook to sell t-shirts. Okay, t-shirts and all different physical products, and because of all the targeting that you can use in the Facebook ads center, there's tons of options, there's tons of things for you to learn. So if you can go out there and become a Facebook expert, yeah, you'll have no problems making lots of money, because you can not only make money on Facebook, yeah, with the ads and things like that. Of course you're going to need training, you know, buy a few courses, buy a few ebooks and stuff, but the more time you spend on that place, the more you're going to learn how to use it, and then you're going to learn how to create profitable ads, and then you can use that information to then leverage, you know, because you've got then value to sell to people. Okay, so Facebook is definitely a brilliant option. CPA, yeah, cost per action. There's a lot of people out there. Well, I say a lot of people. There's probably not many people actually doing it. There's probably a lot of people that have tried to learn, okay, but you know, as I've said to you, some people are lazy, and when they realize there's a little bit of work involved, they're not prepared to do it. If you're prepared to go and learn how to use CPA, okay, how to create good ads where you can use CPA offers, yeah, places like Neverblue, okay, you've got all these different CPA networks that you can sign up to, okay, usually for free. You can sell CPA offers on paid traffic networks, okay. This is a great skill to have. Some people do very, very well. You know, some people, you know, make $100, $200, $500,000 a day from CPA offers, and the good thing is there's nothing for them to actually sell themselves. They just sell CPA offers on paid traffic networks. So if you could create good ads, okay, good profitable campaigns, then you can be making money for many years to come. With CPA. Yes, it does take a little bit of work. Yes, there is a little bit of work involved for you to learn how to use it all, but anything that you do online is going to require you to learn. Yeah. So again, you know, don't be lazy. You know, think about the potential on becoming an expert on CPA. Okay, there's tons and tons of money to make in that area, so always think about that. The next one is Amazon review sites. Yeah, a friend of mine makes some very, very good money on Amazon, and Amazon review sites. He sells physical products from Amazon, and his sites convert very well, and he makes thousands of dollars with Amazon because he's took the time to actually learn how to create good sites, and he doesn't get all of his traffic from Google either. So this could be something that you want to specialize in as well. You know, learn how to create good Amazon review sites where you sell physical products, because it's alright selling information products like from ClickBank and Warrior Plus and JVZoo and places like that, but sometimes when you create sites where you actually sell physical products, your conversions could be way higher, or can be way higher. And if you're more of a physical person, a physical product kind of person, then that's fair enough. Then you could go down this route of creating Amazon review sites for physical items, and this is a great business model. You can make a lot of money by selling products from Amazon, because a lot of the time all you need to do is really get your customers or get the traffic over to Amazon, and Amazon will take over, and you can let them convert those people into paying customers, because you know they've got a great conversion system. You know, obviously a lot of people trust Amazon, so becoming a Amazon review site expert is a brilliant choice, because you can then leverage this information, use this as your value, okay, to then build a list, create products, and then progress online that way. And obviously you're making some good money. Remember what I've said, you always want to make money, because I understand that it's no good you just learning stuff and not making money at the same time, because you need to make money in order to pay for your courses and that you purchase. Ads, traffic, I understand all that, I've been through that, and I do know exactly how it all works. So you will be making money with these Amazon review sites. At the same time you learn stuff as you go. The last one is video marketing. So you could learn how to create stunning videos that convert traffic into paying customers, and you could become an expert on places like YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion, and you could be good at ranking videos as well. There's lots of different tactics and different strategies you could use with videos. A lot of people sell ClickBank products on videos, so you could do that. So these 5 income methods here are absolute solid ways for you to start making money. Really solid ways, but you have to put a little bit of work in order to learn all of the ins and outs of these methods. Now, if you go and try a couple of these methods, or even one of these methods, I don't want you to go out there and choose 2 or 3. Just choose one and stick to it for the next year or so until you're making some good money. If you go out there and you try one and it doesn't work out, okay, then don't give up. Don't think, oh well, this doesn't work. Paul told me to go out there and try Facebook ads. Well, I've just lost $10 and it doesn't work. None of my ads convert. Okay, don't worry about it. Get back in there and tweak your ads, stick at it, and try again. Okay, because you will get there. Believe me. If you give up, you will never ever get there. The most successful people that use these types of income methods never ever give up. They look at what doesn't work, they fix that in their ad, and then they create a better ad and progress from there. Okay, the same as your affiliate sites. If you've built an affiliate site for Amazon and it is absolutely rubbish and it doesn't convert, it's made no money in 6 months, don't worry about it, because what you can do is then look at that and think, okay, that isn't going to work, it hasn't worked, I'll change my approach and try something different. At some stage you are going to see some success. So please don't give up. Please don't go out there and try something once, twice, 3 times and think, okay, it hasn't worked, I'm not gonna pursue this. I'm just gonna go back to wasting all of my money buying product after product after product after product until you kind of find the magic solution, and there isn't one. You can't give up. You just need to keep trying different things, and believe me, you will get there. If you're one of these people that just gives up after the first or second attempt, then it doesn't matter what you do online, you will never get there, because you are in the wrong mindset. Okay, so please don't give up. Even if it takes you 50 attempts, 100 attempts, believe me, you will get there. The way to look at it is, okay, you haven't failed 99 times. If you've done it 99 times and it hasn't worked, you've just found 99 ways that it doesn't work. On the next time you try it, it could work, and you could end up spending $5 to make 100 back. Okay, always keep that in the back of your mind. Everything you learn online is going to help you it's going to help you to push forward and give you tons more experience, because at some stage you're going to be able to tell other people, no, don't do this, no, don't do that, because it doesn't work. I tried it 99 times before I succeeded myself. Okay, and that can be your story. So everything you do online is going to help you further down the road, okay, as it has me, as it has lots of other people as well. So these are just 5 income methods that you can use. There's tons more out there, but try and be a little bit creative, and when you find these, or when you try these income methods, try to put your own twist on things. Okay, these are the things, these things here are just some income methods that I know for a fact work. These are income methods that definitely work, because I've used one of them. A good friend of mine uses the Amazon review sites method as well. There's tons of people making money on YouTube, with videos. Facebook ads is there's millions of people on Facebook, as you probably know. CPA, there's tons of people making good money with CPA. You just need to know what you're doing. okay, and be one of the people that's prepared to do the work, and you will make money and you will do very well. So I think I've harped on enough. This is video number 4. The next video, video number 5, we're going to go through your exact approach, what you need to do once you start getting some results from these income methods, okay, and I'm going to show you how to leverage that to make tons more money. So I'll see you in video number 5. Take care.